Boomba boomba omelette. This is what I'm going to break my fast with. So this has got all the greens. Do you know how I made this omelette? I picked up fresh baby spinach, amaranthus, tender coriander leaves, the tender moringa leaves and fenugreek leaves. Along with it, I added beetroot leaf and also cauliflower leaf. And when you chop all of this, you will get all the micronutrients you need. Because Sunday I ate biryani, nothing greens. Monday was water fasting, but today I'm going to have that feast of greens along with good protein eggs, clarified butter, that is ghee. And I added raw banana also to make it nice and rich. So I made this with all the greens. I am breaking this fast after 40 hours of water fasting. On Saturday evening by 4:35 was last my snack. I ate some fruits. I ate my lunch at 12, awesome chicken biryani. Monday morning I woke up at 4 o'clock and I did my 1 hour of little bit of fun exercise, after which I drove 60 kilometers to my farm. After which I had my first sip of water at 9 a.m. after which I drank around 4 liters of water. Slept really good. I had a very sound sleep, no hunger cravings, nothing. But morning when I wake up again at 4:35, I started my workout. I heard that little rumble. Hey man, what are you doing? So I said, wait, I'm going to finish 40 hours and I'm going to feed you something good. Something that's good for your gut too. But first, today morning, again I'm going to start off with water, the great hydration. Now, the boomba boomba omelette. Not just the omelette. I'm going to have papaya and also guava. But even before omelette, I need to. This papaya is from my farm. We're going to enjoy rest of it later. But first, let's eat this omelette. This has got full veggies. And look at it, lot of greens and lot of yumminess. Wow. Anything organic, fresh from the nature is absolutely tasty. Wow. Dear friends, if you guys are interested in joining me, another water fasting session, we'll fix a date. And I want more and more people to join and experience the goodness of fasting. Friends, if your BMI is below 23, that is a perfect BMI for Indians. You got to water fast only once in a month. If your BMI is around 25, you got to do water fasting twice in a month. But if your BMI is boomba boomba obese and morbid obesity, you got to do water fasting once a week to get back into the shape. But yearly once, we have to do water fasting at least 3 days in a row, and we're going to do it after a couple of months. Before that, we're going to do water fasting once in a while. While doing fasting, we're going to learn a lot more things. Before I say goodbye, start చేసిరా మీరు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు. ఎవరి కోసం ఆగడు. బిర్యానీ ఉంది అంటే దే తినాలా. I wish you all a very good, tasty, great food. At the same time, wonderful water fasting. Enjoy good food and join me for another session soon.